Okay, you got 40 seconds. Say what you gotta say.
Guess what? My dad has only one trophy that he won from the barbershop, and all his other barbers that are working with him have more. They have bigger. All he has is a Shape YouTube trophy. And his other barbers have big trophies. Like,
You gonna do me like that, Tatiana, to end it? Wow. So is there anything you want to tell your dad before you go to school, Tatiana? You want me to pick you up? Anything you want to apologize to me about? Are you sure? All right, well, you have a nice day, Tatiana. All right. So to start this haircut off, I'm going to be pinning up my client's hair with some duck clips. Now you're going to see me comb down some hair on the sides, and basically what I'm doing is giving the hair on top something to sit on. So I'm just going to pin the other side up and finish combing the hair down in place so I can start my first guideline. So to start my first guideline, I'm going to be setting it in using my Andis Slimline Pro Li. I'm going to be starting in the middle, and I'm going to work my way down, being that this is a drop fade. So be mindful on how neat that you set your guidelines. So the next thing you want to do is take off the bulk. I'm going to be using my Andis cordless BGRCs with the 5/0 blade just to bald out the rest of the bulk. Okay, so with the lever open, go up about 1 inch and make sure you keep it consistent all the way through. So same thing with the one guard open, go up, scoop out, make sure you're consistent all the way through. So with the 1.5 guard, I'm just going up, scooping up, using my comb as a guideline to set how far I want to go up. But after you use this technique and you use it all the way through, don't worry, because we're going to clipper over comb the rest. So right here, I'm lightly spraying the overhang down, just doing that so it all could be even, so it all could lay right. You don't want to do it while the hair is, all over the place. So spray it lightly with some water so it can all lay down and it looks neat. So with the clipper over comb technique, I'm using my Andis cordless BGRCs with the 1A blade, and I'm just kind of tilting the comb. I'm not really trying to dig in too much. I'm kind of tilting the comb, seeing what hair is sticking out, and I'm just knocking it off with my 1A blade. So I put back on my 1.5 blade and I'm just cleaning things up. So right now I'm putting back with the 1 guard open, and I know you guys are thinking this is unnecessary, but I like to just clean up my work as I go down. You know what I mean? I know I'm using the same guards that I set to put in the guidelines, but again, this is just, me going back over my work. So closing the lever on the 1 guard, I'm going to soften up that middle line. Now be mindful of the fact that this is not going to take that line out. This is just softening it up so you can come behind it with the next guard. So with the half guard on, close and just notch it down just a little bit. In a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Keep in mind that you're going to have to open and adjust the blade, the lever, as you go up into that lever open. my Andis Pro Lithium shavers, I'm just gonna bald out the rest of the bottom just so it could have that smooth bald look. So right now I'm doing some detail work. A lot of times when I do these films, you guys are getting the head on, a better angled look than what, us YouTubers are, trying to film. So right now I'm just, going in. You see me, I got the direct head on view, just to really perfect, the blend that I'm trying to do. A lot of times you guys don't really see the behind the scenes, and we're really all out of place, filming these haircuts. Like, our hand is in it and it looks like we're on point, but we're really standing in an awkward position because we're trying to, keep ourselves out of the camera. But right now I got a direct, head on look of my canvas, and I'm just going in. Right now I'm going to take out the duck clip, saturate my client's hair with water, and take off about 1.5 inches. My client doesn't really want too much cut off, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to speed it up. YouTube, this is The Cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. If you guys want to know where you can buy any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the link in the description below. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheat!